Hello developers. I create this portfolio website using one JSON file. Yeah, that is correct. And here is the steps how I did it. Number one, I use the top tech stack or I create the top tech stack using Next.js, React and Tailwind CSS. I install them using Yarn or NPM, whatever you like. Number two, I install the required packages like Redux to manage the states and React icon libraries for icons. And then number three, I add a dark and white theme toggle using Tailwind CSS to handle the theme toggling in the websites. Yes, I had the theme toggle buttons. And number four, I create this one JSON file that contains the entire website data and pass it to each of the component using Redux. Read about prop drilling, you will understand. And in the last, I just map those JSON key value pairs in each of the component to show the data on the website. Yeah, that's it. In the 5 steps, I create the portfolio website using one JSON file. And whatever the content you are seeing on the website is not hard coded. Instead, it's served from one JSON file, or we just mapped the key values available in a JSON file. The interesting points of using JSON is quite crazy over here. Number one is that it's easy to create. Anyone of among you wants to use this repository, you just have to edit this one JSON file to create your portfolio instantly. That is crazy. That is so easy. Number two, it's easy to scale. We can even serve this single JSON file from the database and then scale it to millions of users. Now, millions of users instantly can create their portfolio website with one JSON file. They just have to give the JSON and their portfolio is ready. It's easy to automate. Like I can create a front end interface and everyone can give their JSON values or let's say the data and they will get their portfolio website instantly with the code because JSON is the fundamentals to automate everything and anything in front end and back end. When you get this repository, you just need to edit that one JSON file, replace it with your data, and your portfolio website is ready. You can change it with your new designs, you can customize it to your theme. Since you have the code, you have the power, you have the control. You can deploy it to whatever the hosting site you want. You will even get the dark and white theme inbuilt. You don't have to code anything. You can even use this repository to create any of type of next project or product idea in the world. And I have followed the top tech stack with the perfect architecture to make this repository a scalable and a perfect one. So go in the description, get the repository, edit that JSON file, and build your portfolio website instantly. That's it for today. Until next time, have a good day and don't forget to subscribe.